What is up, y'all? Welcome back out to the bench in the backyard. My name is Jordan, and this is my blueberry bush. I had a little bit of wire bite in some places. It is a rougher bark blueberry, so it should be okay. We'll see. We'll give it a year or two to see what happens here. A lot of this is actually going to come off. I think I'm going to come to here. We'll see where we get to, but we got to repot. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to expose the Nabari. We're going to come in and just across the top, just scrape off the top of the soil. Our best space is right over here, which is fantastic because that's basically where I styled it before. So our best space is right there, but I styled it about like that, which still gives us a good, nice wide base. Gives us a little bit of movement. So we should be pretty good. Now it's just time to go pick out a pot for it. What is the blue suede? It's a Highbush blueberry. So it does grow big if you let it, which is good for me. This started off last year as just a single bud. But you see I got a good 3/8 of an inch of growth or of girth out of that last year. Same thing here. Same thing here. If you pay attention to it, you can kind of force it to bifurcate before you get that much thickness on it, which I'm going to have to do this year. We want to keep it all the branches proportional. So that's about as thick as I would want them to get. This one might actually be a little too thick where it's coming off the branch or off the trunk. So that one might have to go. We'll see. We're going to let it recover this year. And I'm just going to do maintenance pruning on it as the season goes on. So I'm going to go grab a selection of pots and we'll see how it looks in each of those pots. So we will fit in that. I really like that pot. It might be the first one we tried. All the rest of these are bigger, so it'll definitely fit in them. I'm not worried about that at all. The red is nice because it kind of complements the younger branches. So far, not really any bad choices. Complementary of the actual colors of the berry on this bush, which I do have blueberries planted, so I will get I should get berries on this. Ooh, I like that. Ah. Then we have a red square, just seems a little big. Yeah, it's too big. It definitely doesn't need a square. I think not the blue. So we're down to 3. I think the white's it. I think that is. It's just the right size. I think that's the pot. So we got this nice, really strong root right here coming out towards us a little bit. It's off to the side, so it's not directly at us. But then we come all the way down here. So our base spread is out to here. I mean, this thing, I really like it in this pot. It's perfect size. Didn't have to squeeze it too much, but it fits. And we can just come in, clip any dead tips that we have. I'm not sure what to do with this one. I think this one needs to... It's now on a straight line. But this was coming right there. It didn't really help a lot. And it just kind of screwed up this main line. We should get some buds back here, hopefully. And we can grow out a back branch. Or we can kind of swing this out to the back. We do have a back branch up top. I guess that's where we're going to leave it for today. I don't want to take too much of it off. We'll let this push. This right here is probably going away. I'm going to keep this nice and short, just to get a little bit more thickness down through here. I think the end of this branch is going to be this guy right here. So we'll start ramifying this. Keep this healthy, just to push a little bit more girth into here to try and hide some of this, get rid of some of this wire scar. And then we'll go from there. So there's that. If you liked what you saw today, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, hit the thumbs up down below. If you didn't like what you saw, leave a comment. Let me know what I'm doing wrong. Let me know how I can make my trees better, how I can make my videos better, all of that fun stuff. Really like this tree. I really like this tree in this pot. So yeah, until the next time I see y'all out at the bench in the backyard, just remember to grow them big, but keep them small.